Hello, I want to share with you this muffin recipe with cinnamon and rum raisins. Your ingredients, although listed below, they are milk and raisins of 3/4 of a cup, 1 3/4 of a cup plain flour, 1/4 cup brown and white sugar, 1/3 of a cup melted butter, 1 egg, teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 2½ teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Start by mixing all the dried ingredients in a bowl and mix. In a separate bowl, crack an egg, add your melted butter, the milk and vanilla extract and mix. Half at a time, add the milk and egg mixture to the flour and mix thoroughly. Add the raisins to the mixture. The raisins have been soaking in rum for about 20 minutes. Make sure the raisins are drained when you add them to the mixture. And go easy on the rum if you plan to bake for your kids. Divide the mixture up to the halfway mark into muffin cases. Drop 2 raisins on top and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. Place the tray into a preheated oven at 160 degrees centigrade and bake for 25 to 30 minutes. If you enjoyed my recipe, please subscribe to my channel for more recipes and ideas. See you again. Enjoy your muffins on their own or with a nice drink. Bon appétit!